Managing filters. In the video on sorting and filtering products, we demonstrated how to use product filtering in the ETIM-Mapper application. As a reminder, filtering is one of the key tools for quickly finding the right products in a large database. Custom filters can be created on the fly based on specific columns, and they can also be saved for future use. Let's now define a new filter. We'll select products with an ETM description, completeness between 80% and 100%, and save this as a filter called ETIM-Good. Next, let's create another filter for products with low ETM description completeness, between 0% and 40%. We'll save this filter as ETIM-Bad. To manage saved filters, go to the Configuration, then go to the Filter section in the main menu. Here you can view all your filters, along with the fields and values used to define each filter, displayed in the Filter Settings column. You can also delete filters that are no longer needed by clicking the trash icon. Each filter can be added to your favorites. Favorite filters will always appear at the top of the list, making them easier to find, and especially if you have many filters saved. In edit mode, you can rename a filter, set it as your current filter, or delete it. Filters can also be used when exporting products. Instead of exporting all products, you can limit the export to those that match the criteria of a selected filter. The same applies when creating export links. The products included will match the filter's criteria. Please note, deleting a filter used in an export link will also remove the corresponding export link. To summarize, product filters help you manage product information more effectively and speed up your tasks. Managing saved filters is simple and easy through the Filters menu.